Hey, welcome back everybody. Mr. Fix-It coming at you with another informative video on, this is a Home Depot Siege review, so I'm going to show you how I would install this. It's a latch, okay? This is a latch. This is a heavy-duty latch. Like if you have a door that doesn't have a handle that with a striker that you have to turn and open, like some closet doors, they just shut and you need something to hold them shut. So these super class are made for like closet doors or something heavier that you have to keep shut, so you don't have to put 2 or 3 of those small magnets on. This door here, this is just for illustration purposes only, just so I could show you how I would do it. But normally you would put it on a bigger door. The smaller magnets would be fine for these cabinet doors. But this is ultra strong. I mean, it was stuck together when I got it in the package. Comes in a package like this. It's Everbilt. Everbilt sends them out. Like I said, Home Depot Siege review. You could get these online at Home Depot. I'm not sure if they sell them in the store. You have to check. I'm never sure. Some stuff they just sell online. Some stuff they sell in the store. So anyway, it comes with a hardware pack. I already took the screws out. Comes with a hardware pack with the 4 screws you need. I'm always happy about that. I hate looking for screws and all when I get something. So I like when they have the hardware included, and that's a big help. So this is the super duper magnet for bigger doors. Alright, so first what I do is I'm just going to the most important thing is where you're going to put the magnet. Okay, so it's not getting in your way. I mean, I'm just going to stick it on the bottom here just to show you how it's done. I mean, I would probably put it up high, up here, somewhere. I'm going to do it down low so you can see what I'm doing and maybe get some ideas from it. Okay. If you don't have all the tools, you can substitute tools. I mean, I have the tools here, so that's what I use. So what I do first is I put the magnet down, okay, and put the magnet down. Make sure the magnets are facing toward the door, okay? And then I take my drill. I always pre-drill these type of things when I need the screw to go in right in the exact spot, because most of the screws, like even on wood and all, when you're putting up door hinges and all, they will wander, okay, before they actually go in, because they're looking for the softest spot. So what I do is I pre-drill, right where I want that screw, so it doesn't wander and the hinge or latch or whatever ends up right where I want it. So I take the drill, okay, and I pre-drill, okay, both of them. Okay, after that, when you pre-drill, don't go deep. This is just a little notch so the screw knows where to go. So you only need it like a 1/16 inch deep. So you're just going to tap it with the drill. Okay, and just leave a little slight hole, because you still want that screw to take into the wood and have a good grip. So next you're going to take the screws, okay, stick them in here. Okay, and then I'm going to line the screw up with the hole. Take my driver. And we're going to take and drive the screws in. Now I find the hardest part is figuring out where the magnet's going to go on this side, on the door side. So what I normally do is take something, you can, that'll leave a mark. Nail polish works great. Okay, so take some nail polish. You can use chalk line chalk. That stuff usually works good. It's messy, but it will do the job. So you're going to streak it here with the nail polish. I gotta make sure I seal it up because my wife will get mad if it dries up on her. Okay? So, it leaves me a spot on the door. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me move you around a little. But there's a spot right here on the door that it left. Okay? So that's where you're going to put your magnet. Okay? This thing is really strong, let me tell you. Got to take my knife to get it off. You're going to wipe off the nail polish with a rag. Always have a rag. I always say, always have a rag and a bucket of water in case something happens. But anyway, you take your metal and wash it off. And when you're installing the metal, you'll see that the one side has a part where the screw actually goes in. The other side is flat. So you want to make sure that you have your beveled end here. You know what I mean? On each one. That's the side that's going to go to your door. Okay? So again, I'm going to pre-drill because especially on this, these screws will walk. Okay, so you're going to pre-drill into the door. Make sure your screws aren't too long enough. They go through the opposite side of the door too. All right, so we're gonna take and push these in. All right, there's one. And the screws didn't go through the other side, thank God. All right, so there you go. It's all finished. Okay, like I said, this is going to be, this is heavy duty. Check that out. From 6 inches away, it pulls it shut. So that's a mighty strong magnet. So, like I said, you use them. Basically, you can use that for a closet door so you don't have to, put 3 or 4 on there to keep the thing shut. Because there's nothing, that will make you angry than doing a job and then you go through all this, all this labor and all to get it done and then it doesn't work. So, if you follow these instructions, you should be all right. You can either use nail polish or any paint. If you just put it on your finger and rub it on and then take it off right away, should work out fine. To make a mark on your door so you know where to put the magnet, okay? And then make sure when you put your magnet on that the magnets are facing toward the door, okay? I go through all this little stuff, but I always tell people the details are in the little stuff. The little things are what makes the details. And that's and especially when you're doing something nice, you got to get those details, and that's what people see. I hope this was explanatory enough for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Okay, again, this is the door latch. It's Everbilt, Home Depot. This is a Home Depot Siege review. You can get this, you can get this on HomeDepotOnline.com, HomeDepot.com. Okay, that's where you go. Or you can go and look in the store. They may have it there. But if you go online, they usually tell you, if you put your store in, tells you if they have it in stock or not. So that's a good thing to know too. Okay, any comments, leave them in the comments. Any questions, I try to get right back to you because I know, most people are doing a project and the question arises in the middle of the project. Not, so you can't wait like 3 weeks. So I try to get right back to you within 24 hours. If you have any questions, like and subscribe, guys. Got all kinds of videos coming at you. Look through. I got tons of videos in my library. So there may be something, to help you out. If not, if you're doing a project and you could use some pointers, send it my way in the comments on another video, and I'll try to get a video out to you on that item. You got it? Get it, got it? That's all for now. Have a great Thanksgiving. I'll probably do some more videos, but hey, I'll wish you happy Thanksgiving again. It's not going to hurt, right? Like and subscribe, share the video, leave your questions in the comments. I'm glad you came. It's good to see you. Have a great one. I'm out.